Johnson & Johnson submitted paperwork Thursday requesting that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration authorize its COVID-19 vaccine for use in adults. The FDA announced later in the evening that its advisory committee will meet February 26 to discuss the application. The agency is expected to authorize the vaccine within a few days of that meeting, making it the third available to the American public. J&J announced last week that its vaccine was 72% effective in a U.S. trial, though it was less effective among people in Latin America and South Africa, bringing overall effectiveness down to 66%. That compares to findings last year that vaccines from Pfizer, BioNTech and Moderna that their vaccines would be more than 94% effective. Federal officials have said, however, that the trials are not directly comparable because they were conducted at different points in the COVID-19 pandemic. The first 2M Americans have been vaccinated for COVID-19, and initial safety data shows everything is going well, CDC says. It's possible J&J's vaccine would have shown equal effectiveness if its trial had been conducted last summer and fall as the other two were. Now, there are multiple different variants of the virus that causes COVID-19, which might weaken the vaccine's effectiveness. Still, NIH Director Dr. Francis Collins and America's top infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci, said last week that the J&J vaccine would provide a profound benefit to the fight against the pandemic. The J&J vaccine is meant to be delivered as a single dose, though the company is running a separate trial to determine if a second dose is worthwhile. The vaccine can also be stored at refrigerator temperatures, so it will be easier to distribute than the Pfizer, BioNTech and Moderna vaccines, both of which must be kept frozen much of the time. All the vaccines appear to protect against severe disease and prevent deaths from COVID-19. Today's submission for emergency use authorization of our investigational single-shot COVID-19 vaccine is a pivotal step toward reducing the burden of disease for people globally and putting an end to the pandemic, Dr. Paul Stoffels, J&J's chief scientific officer said in a prepared statement. The company expects to have product available upon authorization. With our submission to the FDA and our ongoing reviews with other health authorities around the world, we are working with great urgency to make our investigational vaccine available to the public as quickly as possible, Stoffels said. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe All Media New York.